Hi, welcome back. It's Joel, JARC02, and we're going to take a look at some of the stuff that was already opened, that I bought opened from my video in What's in a Box 35. The first item we're going to take a look at here is this box kind of beat up, but that's okay, not a problem. This is from the Hotline train set. This is the big tipper. You're supposed to be able to operate this by hand or automatically with rail router. So, it's got some stickers on here. No instructions with it, so okay. It's got a hopper in here, and this slides out of the way so the stuff can fall into your train, and the track slides along there. Now it says you can operate this by hand or automatically with rail router. So I'm trying to figure out the rail router. I have one. Where am I supposed to hook that up? So just for my own knowledge, I'm looking for that, but because there's no instructions in here. All right, I'll figure that out another time. So that was it for the big tip. Next is signal tower. I wonder if I got these from the same guy, because they're both kind of beat up the same fashion. Comes with this little piece of track, and this is the same type of track, just a different color as the regular orange track. So it goes on these grooves, same way. So you could technically use this track for Hot Wheels cars too. It's not a big deal. So you turn this, and it moves that right there for reverse, and continue and stop. And I think you can operate, you know what, the rail router will go through there. It just operates with air, and that's what would move it. So it's a little piece here, and it would go through here. I just couldn't figure out where it goes on the other item, but I could figure that out later time. So that's it for this item. If somebody needs me to go over this more in a future video, please let me know. See how I get this back in the box. There we go. All right. And we'll take a look at Sizzler juice machine. And this kind of goes with it because the Hotline trains are Sizzlers, and you would charge them up with a juice machine. And the juice machine does have instructions. So that's a good thing. Oh, it's just a trifold. here, but I don't know what that's from. Ooh, cool. This has never been used. Stickers go on here, and I have, that's part of the box, another International Collector's Catalog. Now, I didn't know this stuff came with accessories. I didn't know if the catalogs came with accessories, but I guess maybe they do. And battery box is all clear. So this is an item that's never been used. That is cool. Just to save the stickers, I'm going to put that inside the battery box. You know what? Save the instructions. I'll put that inside the battery box. That'll keep it good. Somebody must have had tape on there to hold this together, and the tape has long since come apart. All right. Let's take a look at this again. I think I showed these before. It's 1970 catalog, but this is in really good shape. So let's take a quick look.
You could have mounted it.
All right, that is it. If you'd like to subscribe, please go to the upper left corner, that way. And any questions, comments, please leave them below. And please like and share. And please look forward to the next video of more open stuff from Box 35.